Hello, this is Apostle Ike, the Generational Deliverer. I'm broadcasting from Zimbabwe. Those who have been following us, we thank you so much for following us. Those who are calling for prayers and deliverance, we thank God for the testimonies that we are receiving daily from as far as UK, New Zealand, Canada, America, South Africa, Botswana, and many countries that are calling Cyprus. And we are so humbled by what God is doing. Now today, ndichatara yemwe chete nyaya yehari mbiya kana dzavanoti claybot. Mbiya idzi dzakanaka chete kana dziri maoko emunhu akadzigadzira, dzakataka kubatwa nemunhu anoshereketa kana kuti anoshina, dzinokwanisa kushandiswa sema-weapons kubata life yavanhu, kuparadza life yavanhu, kuparadza ma-marriages, kuparadza business, kuparadza utano, kutasisa vanhu kuita vana. Munhu atove parent oenda kuchipatara ozonzi chibereko chake chiri right, sperm count yemurume wake right, but for no reasons they can't just give birth because someone akatora chibereko chavo spiritually akachisa mahari, akavhara hari, akati sekuvhara kwanzi kuita hari idzi ndavhara life yavo. Saka mahari idzi munokwaniswa kuiswa maphotos emunhu. Some of you, your photos were downloaded even from Facebook, even from your status, from my status in Joycewa mahari kovharwa hari so kuti tikuvhara life yake hakuna chinhu chaachaita chichabudirira. You can say I don't believe in it. It's not about you believing in it. This is the reality. There are so many people who say I don't believe in something. The fact that you don't believe in it does not mean that it's not there. It's your people who decide to be foolish and you're not realizing the reality of life. And that does not stop the enemy from attacking you because you don't believe in a certain thing. That it does not stop the enemy from destroying your life. Kuti haubelieve kuti varoi variko hazvimise varoi kuparadza. In fact zvinotovapa advantage because vanonatsorelaxa zvizoti nguva yese ndeyavo because hautende kuti vanoroya ende vanotsabata life yako. Saka tine vanhu vakaita mhiriko makungwa vakanotaura chirungu, vakaita madegree, vakafunga kuti chirungu namadegree zvichaseva life yavo, but vadzengerera mumwe aenda kuuk, aenda kuamerica, aenda kucanada, achichinja nyika achifunga kuti inyika iri wrong. Nyamba kune munhu kumusha kwake, that strong woman, that strong man akabheja akati hakuna mwana wose werudzi rwangu vachabudirira as long as I live. Ndobva vatora destiny yavo nevanhu vakandokorwa dziri tsoka, makumbo anongopisa life yako. You cannot explain makumbo yako vakaenda pachiremba kati we can't see anything, but as much as they don't see anything in your legs, you know there is too much pain, you are in pain. There are people who go to hospitals, they go to doctors, they have never been diagnosed of anything because their sickness is not physical, their sickness is spiritual. So my doctors, as much as they can try to scan to diagnose, they are failing to locate the disease because it is not natural. Kuna akatora upenyu wako akaisa muhari, kune varoi vakatora upenyu wako akaisa muhari. Shoko raMwari usaregedza mwoyo yachirarama, usaregedza mwoyo yachirarama. In English it says to suffer not a wish to live. The plain English language for that word is kill a witch. So in your family there is that person akabata rudzi rwose asingatendera vanhu kubudirira, asingatendera vanhu kurohwa, asingatendera vanhu kubata mari, asingatendera vanhu kufara. Basa rake nderekumonita vanhu with his clay pot or with their clay pots. Vanoshandisazve mamira where they look through you, they look through the mirror to see whether you are in UK, Canada, America, they are dark. He has got no hazvamise izvo zvokuti uri kuamerica, hazvamise izvo zvokuti uri kuuk, hazvamise izvo zvokuti une degree, hazvamise izvo zvokuti wakachata. Unokwanisa kutendera kuchata but waita evhayo kuti muchato imomo hakuna chichabuda. This is why deliverance is very important, because when deliverance is administered fully, then zvakataurwa nevaroi mhiko dzakaitwa palife yako kuti haufanire kuita dzinopwanywa. Saka to call for deliverance from wherever you are. Hazvina basa kuti uri kure, hazvina basa kuti you are far away, you can still be delivered. The way munhu ari kuroi asumba mako, you can also be delivered the same way. Could you can be in Canada, America, Australia, New Zealand, I can still deliver you from this place. You simply pick up your call, you WhatsApp me, do a WhatsApp call, I will help you from there. Kune vanhu vakaiswa certificate avo mahari, uri kutsvaka vaita 200 CVs but hakuna CV 1 yakaita response. Kuna wakaita ma response wakakwenda ku interview. After the interview you were told you have passed the interview but they never called you for the job because you were monitored from the clay pot. Unless the clay pot is broken, your life will remain to move around in misery. You will continue to be disadvantaged in the real affairs of life. The fact that you know something is only proven in what surrounds you. Kuti mwari anogona kunongooneka chete nezvaari kuita mulife yako. It's more than confessing it. It's more than speaking it. There is the reality. We face real life situations daily and we need real life solutions to our situation. And here I'm telling you about the clay pot. There are so many weapons the devil can use to scatter, to destroy the lives of many people. And today we are specifically dealing with the clay pot. That is, I break the clay pot. Day in, day out, because somebody is manipulating them. And because collect blood rag. And if you look at those clay pots, some of them didn't photos, some of them didn't blood. They have been used as blood banks in the witchcraft world, and that is your blood that has been collected. But today, as you call, the Lord will deliver you. I will break the clay pot for you. The visa will be released. The permanent resident will be released. That barrenness will be over. That limitation will be broken. That misery will end. The affliction will come to an end. So do yourself a favor by calling, and we'll do deliverance with you. We'll pray with you, empower you. You do yourself a favor also by liking my page, Apostle Israel, however, for more teaching and detailed teaching on clay pot breaking and witchcraft breaking, curse breaking, altar breaking. God bless you from wherever you are. My name is Apostle Ike. Shalom.